fun. I gotta get a shovel out here. Made it. Yeah. Okay. 3 degrees out right now. Leave that open. Actually, you know what? It's not windy out, so I'll close the door. Hi, Ziggy. Yeah. That's Ziggy. This is not easy doing one-handed. Yes, I'm getting you fresh water. Okay. Woo! Is it still working? Yeah. Okay. There's Pirate the Wonder Dog. Let's see here. I'm gonna have to set this down, maybe. Actually, I'm gonna leave that off. I'm gonna run some water on it. Okay. Looks like it's kind of froze up. It's still draining. See if I can set this down somewhere. I have no clue how this looks. Okay. Dump out the old, put all fresh in. Yeah, the chickens aren't going through the water like they do in the summertime. So, okay. Sadie, you playing with your rock again? Yeah? Found that rock. I named the rock Wilson. Yeah, Wilson. Don't let her do that to you. Of course, Pirate's just standing there. Let's see here. Yeah. Sadie's my weird dog. Okay. Oh. So the chickens are starting to give us eggs. We're getting only 2 a day. Look at that majestic bird. Yeah. You're a beautiful bird. Okay, so we got a water heater. keeps everything from freezing. Does a really good job. Make sure there's some in there. Before I leave, make a quick check. Oh, I'm gonna have to take that inside. Yeah, my wife's gonna love that. Yeah, thank you, girls. Not sure who gave that to us. Is it a brown or white egg? It's white. It might have been Floppy. I call her. We got a Floppy right and a Floppy left. She's Floppy right because her comb goes to the right. Our other one, her comb goes to the left. Yeah. So, just doing some morning chores. Keep the birds happy. Right, Yeti? Yeah. Keep everybody happy. Okay. Just a video to show some things that we do in the morning. Yeah. Say goodbye, birds.